Hello everyone, I am Dr. Saudi. Today we will design a vegetarian weight loss diet plan for Mr. Kaif. Start your day with a glass of lemon honey water. It is considered as one of the healthiest and affordable morning drink. It increases metabolic activity which aids in fat burning and weight loss. Simple and fulfilling banana overnight oats bowl is the perfect way to start your day. This high-fiber and power-packed meal will keep you full and active for hours. For mid-morning snacks, use a hard-boiled egg because this is the best way for vegetarians to fulfill their protein requirements. Lunch is the second big meal of the day, so it should be healthy and nutritious. Add 1 small chapati of 6 inches and chickpea curry with roasted veggies of your choice. Chickpeas are high in protein and fiber which help to reduce hunger and weight loss. For evening snack, eat a bowl of fresh fruits topped with almonds and walnuts. This will be a great combination of healthy fats and protein. Fruit salad is a healthy and nutritious addition to a well-balanced diet. Last meal of your day should be light and rich in fiber which will keep you full all night. And vegetable brown rice is the best choice for that. It will give you almost 250 to 300 calories. Along with a healthy and balanced diet, we also recommend 30 to 45 minutes of exercise to Mr. Kaif. It includes jogging, cycling, push-ups, etc.